Hi guys, it's Ginjinir again. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So ngayon magsosolve na naman tayo ng another basic age problem for civil service exam. So simulan na natin. The average age of 3 friends is 18 years old. What is their total age? Okay, so pag sinabing average guys, so i-divide natin sila sa kung ilan sila. Okay, so dito guys is 3 friends daw. So gawin na nating variable n yung total age ng tatlong magkakaibigan. Okay? So, para makuha natin yung average, so variable n, i-divide lang natin. So, kung ilan sila, so tatlo sila, so i-divide natin siya ng 3. And that is equal to 18. Okay? So, given naman yon. So, ang hinahanap, what is their total age? So, hanapin lang natin yung value ni variable n. So, since naka-divide itong 3, pag nilipat natin yan sa kanan, magiging multiplication na. So, ang mangyayari, n is equal to 18 times 3 na. Okay? So, i-multiply lang natin. 18 times 3, that is 54. So, yung total age ng magkakaibigan, guys, is 54 years old. So, that is letter C. Okay, so ganun lang mag-solve, guys, no? So, salamat sa panonood. Kita-kits tayo sa next video ko.